Okay, this is Mach 3 software that we're running. It's what talks between the computer and the CNC machine. Right now, I started it up and I already loaded a pipe profile in here. So let's just run this profile and see what it does. It'll show up over here. The cursor will follow the profile. So there we go for a start. Okay, it's following the pipe on around. It's cutting. This was I believe this was a 60-degree angle on 1¼ pipe. So it comes on around the profile and gets to the lead and leads back out, and then it recycles back to 0 so that it's all set up again for the next pipe. So all you have to do is release the chuck, take that pipe out, put another pipe in, and then on the machine there's a cycle start button, so you don't have to come back to the computer. You can just get your torch all set, hit the blow air, hit the cycle start, and it will run through the cut. So let's show you how easy it is to change the pipes. So we'll change, right now we're running an 1¼ pipe at 60-degree angle. So let's change the G-code. Let's load the G-code. Okay, this was all 1¼ pipe, so I'm going to go back and back again, and we're going to go to 1½ standard pipe, and we're going to go to the G codes, and we'll do a 60-degree here on the 1½ pipe also. Load that. Okay, it loaded the pipe. You see, this is on the file name here, the P112_40_60. That's pipe 1 1/2, schedule 40, 60 degrees. The schedule is important because a thicker pipe, the pattern is different for a thicker pipe because the pattern takes into consideration the wall thickness and adjusts the profile. So we will click in here. We will see what the inches per minute. This F code right here, this is the inches per minute that the torch is going to cut. So I've already changed it to 30 here, so that should be fine. The last cut that I made, that cut really nice. In fact, the piece dropped right off the end. But now that we've changed to 1½ pipe, and we were cutting 1¼ pipe before, we need to change the motor tuning. So we will go up here to configure, we will go to motor tuning, and we will go to the Y-axis motor. That's the one that we want to change. Right now the motor tuning was set for what did I say, 1¼ pipe? Yeah, it was set for 1¼ pipe. We want to change this to 1½ pipe, so we'll double click on it and we will look on my chart. Here's my chart that I have made up with the different things. So 1½ pipe is 4288, so we will type 4288 point, and it's a long decimal number, 806888. So that's 806888. Okay, and then we'll go over here to Save Axis Settings, and then we'll click OK. Now I'm going to go back in there just to double check and make sure that it's saved, because sometimes I forget to tell it to save axis settings. Go back to the Y. Okay, we have 4288 806888, and that's what I have on my sheet. So we should be good there. Okay, so that's what it takes to change from different sizes of pipes. So now we will do a cycle start here and watch it go through the profile again. So here it is. It's tracking and following the profile, and we've changed pipe sizes. So it's fairly simple. All the patterns and all of the G codes are loaded, on the disk that comes with the machine. So there's no program. The only tricky part you have to do is that motor tuning. But with my chart, it's very easy to do. Also, when you first start, when you first load this Mach 3 software, you have to go through the different things and set the pin allocations and for where the limit switches are and the X and Y axes and get everything running properly. But I will have pictures of that, of each sheet to show exactly how to do that. So it's very, very simple. Takes, you know, maybe 10, 15 minutes to do it, and then it's up and running. So, there you go.